Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Make sure both your Samsung TV and soundbar explicitly list Q Symphony support. Once confirmed, update firmware on each device. This resolves many handshake problems. Next, connect a high-speed HDMI cable into the TV's eARC port and the soundbar. Do not use optical for Q Symphony. Then power both devices on. You're ready to enter the TV audio menu and begin enabling Q Symphony so the TV speakers and soundbar work together. You now enable Q Symphony inside the TV's audio settings. Go to Sound Speaker Settings and choose HDMI eARC plus TV speaker or the Q Symphony option. This tells the TV to send discrete channels to both units. Once done, check the soundbar menu and enable any TV Sound Connect or Q Symphony toggle the bar requires. Make sure the audio format is set to PCM or Auto for compatibility, and disable TV Bluetooth or other outputs so the signal doesn't split or lag. You finish by testing with familiar content. Play a scene-emphasizing dialogue to balance levels between TV speakers and the soundbar. Adjust center channel, treble and bass on the soundbar, and fine-tune TV volume so speech and effects blend smoothly. Save any presets. If you experience dropouts or no Q Symphony option, restart both devices, reseat the HDMI eARC cable, and confirm firmware versions. Often the handshake fails until you power cycle and reapply the settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.